on a second. It is time for a mom bun. Okay, that's better. Now we can go ahead and get some cleaning done. If you didn't see the cleaning checklist that I created, feel free to check that out. I'll go ahead and link it down below. Even if you're not a planner person, you might really enjoy it. I'm hoping that you do, because it is my list of cleaning projects for spring break. So I am actually a little bit behind because we've had some family stuff going on, but we are going to deep clean the kitchen today. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to deep clean the kitchen, and I'm just gonna give this a heads up because I feel like I need to. I know I did all that stuff about perfection on YouTube and I shouldn't be too worried, but my kitchen is a hot mess. It's a hot mess right now. So don't judge me. I'm gonna just show you my real kitchen and we are gonna get to cleaning. So let's go, you guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Let's be free with Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Let's be free with me.
this is what I got done. That cupboard right there does not ever close. So the cupboards are all wiped down and cleaned. I wiped down all of the appliances. The counters are cleaned. The cutting board. Oh man, oh, I forgot to close the drawer. Let's close that. Ah! Oh my gosh. We just closed a little drawer there. We needed to. Oh, and that light that keeps going on and off. Brian installed some like track lights back there. So yeah, they're motion sensors. So anytime we walk into the kitchen, we don't have to turn it on. That is all clean. The backsplash is clean. The sink is clean. Dinner is in there waiting to thaw. This side of the counter is clean. The cabinets look great. I'm sorry the lighting is really poor in here, but you know, it is what it is. Everything is organized over there. I'm really happy with how it all turned out. Oh, I forgot the oven is all finished too. It's all clean and all of that. That part of the counter is done. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for me. If you want more cleaning content like this, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that thumbs up button. And if you wanna see more of my real life, leave any video requests down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And by the way, you guys, have fun today.